Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0x80246019 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet speed. Go to fast.com, okay, and check the internet speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution. The next solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot and select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. And the last solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. Simply copy the script and search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. This will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally, it will restart all the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.